Hi, my name is Monil Kapadia, and we have a tax accounting practice based in Mississauga, serving clients across Canada. Today, we are going to talk about how we have created different steps to make personal tax filing a very simple and easy process for you. Obviously, the first step is to call us on this number so that we can understand the source of income, decide the scope of work, and fees associated with that. Once we are good, please share us your email ID so that we can send you a personal return package, which will consist of a personal return checklist. The tax return checklist is in Excel, which will look something like this and will give us all the information that we will need to prepare your tax returns. So whether you're single or you're married, we'll need your marriage status, a change in status during the year, your personal details like name, last name, SIN number, address, the province in which you are filing, date of birth, and contact information. We will also need details of your kids so that we can claim certain daycare expenses and we can claim childcare benefits for the next year. The below section talks about your income and deductions. So if you're filing a zero return, you just have to say yes in case if you have earned any income. If it is a T4 based income, a full time, what I've done is I've created this column which will say all the supportings that I'll need that will support your income so that we can extract that information from that. In case if you have received a SERB or a response benefit or a maternity or unemployment benefit, you will receive a T4 slip. In case if you are a corporation and you received a dividend from your corporation, you will receive a T5 slip. If you have earned any capital gains or made any investment, you will receive an investment package and will need the whole investment package. In case if you have any other income or foreign income, we need some details of that. If you've done any RRSP, then we'll need the RRSP slips or any withdrawal slips. If it is on a home buyer plan, then you need to let us know. In case if you paid any tuition fees or any professional fees, then we'll need the receipts for that. Student loan, medical expenses, or made any donations, then we'll need the tax receipts to claim that. If you bought your first house, obviously there are some credits and we'll need to know if you have bought your first house so that we can claim those credits. In case if you moved your principal residence, we have to update to CRA accordingly. If the taxpayer or anybody in the family has a disability and which is approved by CRA, then we can claim certain credits and I'll need the support for that. In case if you have any assets outside Canada, which has more than $100,000, then you have to let us know. I'll call you and we'll discuss what are the assets and how to disclose the assets. If you're paid rent or if you're paid property taxes, you can claim certain trillium benefits. So I'll need the information for that. Now, this benefit is based on your income, the family income, and you will qualify based on that. If you're filing for the first time, I'll need the date of lending and income you earned before lending. Obviously, with COVID-19, there are some benefits which government has given, which is work from home. In case if you do not have the form T2200 signed by your employer, then you need to give me how many days you work from home and I'll do the calculation for that home expenses. In case if you have received a T2200 form, there are various expenses that you can claim against your employment income. I have created a detailed video of how to calculate the work from home expenses when you have the form T2200. Please watch that video in our channel so that you can understand this. But I've given a detailed list of expenses that you can claim against that income. In case if you have an investment property on which you are receiving rental income, there are certain expenses which you can claim against that income. And I've provided a very exclusive list of expenses that you can claim against those rental income. In case if you're driven Uber or Lyft or skip the dishes, then I will need certain basic information about that income and the expenses that you have incurred to earn that income. Again, please go through the list of expenses. This is very exclusive list and you can add if anything is missing over here. In case if you have moved your house to get closer to your workplace, then we can claim certain expenses and I'll need few details to claim those expenses. Once you have provided all your details into that checklist, please attach all your supportings like your T4 slips and T4 slips and email it to us in one package. We will also need an authorization form which will come along with the package. This authorization allows us to extract information from CRA. Once you email it to us, we will prepare your draft return and send it to you. Once you receive a draft return, you just have to go through it. If you have any questions, concerns, feel free to call us. Otherwise, e-sign the return and we will e-file it. You will get the refund and notice of assessment in 2 weeks from the date we file it. This is our team. Myself and Heta, we are directors of the company. Himanshu and Abhi are helping us prepare the tax returns. A brief about our services: we do personal and corporate filing. We do the incorporation. In We also do the bookkeeping. In case if you're buying a business, we can do the due diligence and help you secure a bank loan through plans and projections. In case if you have CRA reviews or audits, we can help you respond those audits. Please connect with us. We are available on LinkedIn. We have a YouTube channel. You can subscribe, and we are doing a sequence of videos that can help you save taxes, or you can follow us on Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.